I was looking to buy a mobile gimbal for quite some time. After a few researches, I decided to buy OSMO MOBILE3 for my iPhone 10. I received this gimbal today, and this video is mostly about unboxing and setting up the gimbal first time. So let's get started. Let us remove plastic bag. This DJI box is very sleek and nicely packaged box. It has OSMO MOBILE3 picture on top of it and DJI memo links on the box. This box is wrapped in another plastic. First, let us get rid of this plastic. Now we need to break the seal to open the box. Let's open the box. The first thing I see is the gimbal itself. Let's take out the gimbal. The next thing is something, I don't know what is it, probably to. And there's another box in the box. Let's keep this box aside and open this small box. Let's see what's inside. So I see some stuff in the box. One is this, there's some couple of documentation. I don't know we should read this documentation or not, but let's see. And what else in the box? The box is there it has these pads. I don't know where to put this pad. I'll check it later. It seems it may be in bottom or maybe somewhere on the handle, but let's see. Another documentation inside the box. Okay, so we are done with the documentation. Now let's get rid of this box. Now the second thing is this is charger, so it comes with just wire. This is another pouch to carry the gimbal. I don't know will I be using it, but okay, it's very good thing. Now next thing is this is the strap to secure the gimbal in the wrist, so you can wrap in the wrist and secure it. Let's check the gimbal itself now. So we have a zoom button on the left. This is first button is turn off and turn on button and change the orientation. This button is to record and stop the recording, and this joystick to change the mobile direction from up, down, left, right. This port is charging the gimbal, and this port is to charge the mobile during the recording or during the use. Okay, I don't know what is I'm doing here. I would be checking the ergonomics of the gimbal. I'm first time using the gimbal, so let's see how it is work. To use the gimbal, we have to use the DJI memo app. I have installed already. Now I'm trying to connect to it, but so I agree terms and conditions, and then click on next. And to activate, we have to register our account with the DJI memo. So in this step, I'm just registering with my email ID, and the process email ID, then this captcha code and password. So let me finish my registration. I'm entering the password right now because screen recording doesn't show me the password here, so I'm good here, so nobody is watching my password. Click on register. Registration is completed. Now login with user ID and password. Here I enter user ID and password and click on login. It is trying to log in and login successful. Now install the phone, means it's trying to activating my DJI Memo gimbal. Now the next are steps. So these are the steps where it is show the all how to use the gimbal. So this is notice for beginner, and all the buttons, how does they work, all these are shown in this screen. So let's go by there's no option to skip, so I have to go one by one. Let's keep going. This is slider, this is front button. Okay, I forgot to mention this button on front. So this button is used for different purposes, so I'll check all this later. Now it is uploading or updating the firmware on the gimbal. Once firmware is completed, now we are ready to use the gimbal. Next tricky part is balancing the phone when gimbal is off. It is required to increase the battery life. If it is properly balanced, then axis motors will have a less pressure and will save the battery life. So that's what we are doing here. So it's balanced now. Let's turn on the gimbal. As soon as we turn on, it always come into vertical position, and double click on that M button and it will be in the horizontal position. Now our gimbal and phone are ready for recording. Just so when time will come, I will be using it, and when I'll check it how it works. So this is my first time using any gimbal for recording on the phone, and phone nowadays are having a 4K and 60 frames per second, all these things. So let's see how it works with me. Another problem I see here that the OSMO Mobile 3 is not compatible with Filmic Pro, which is a very good software to record the movie on this on the iPhone. Let's see how I'm going to use it and how it works. So I'll come back with my review, or maybe how it works with my phone and how I'm able to record. I'll come back in the next video.